Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Stock Market News and Views brought to you by Ray Financial. Today is August 14th, 2012. So, what we have here is the daily chart of Dow Jones Industrial, and many people keep asking me, so where is the market heading? I need to understand what exactly are you talking, or in what time frame are you talking. Now, if you ask me in the short term, Dow Jones, it will witness some kind of a correction, not a major one, but about 600 to 1,000 odd points. Now, why I'm saying that is because if we see, this is a daily chart of Dow Jones, and since June, it's been the Dow Jones has been bullish in and trading within a channel. If I just mark, I have just marked the pivots, the highs of this channel and the lows. So it's just trading in this channel. It's being choppy, up down, up down. But what I notice is that the market is inching away into this area of resistance, and that's where I feel that the market will witness a sell-off. How fast, how quick, I'm not sure, but it would be about 600 to 1,000 odd points on the Dow. If you see the overall trend of Dow, I'll just open it up in the weekly so we get a better picture. Larger the time frame gives us a better picture. So if you see from 2008 lows, now that's March 2009. Since then, the market has been in a bull run. This was the major sell-off in 2008. Yeah, pretty big, thanks to the credit crisis that pulled the markets down. Now, if you see, this was the fall that took place in September. Markets did take a hit. A head and shoulders pattern that was noticed, it broke. It actually took place, and the markets went down. Since October last year, the markets again have started to rally, but now again it's inching into this area of resistance. I just marked it in the daily chart and showed it to you. But what is the major level on Dow Jones is this area, the high of 2007 October. If the market once inches into this area, I don't know how long is it going to take. Market could go sideways, it could be choppy, it could even do it probably in within this year. But if it gets into this area, I would be really cautious, and I would start building up short positions. That's what I would do, because I think that's the very first time it's going to touch out there. So just watch for it. Also, one thing I would like to share with you is try comparing Dow Jones with the US dollar index, because they actually trade inverse. So when the US dollar is up, Dow Jones is down, and when the US dollar is down, Dow Jones is up. It's just reverse. That's what happens. So this is the daily chart of the US dollar index, and if you notice that let me just bring up the weekly because it's easier to mark the trends. Okay, so here we are. So if you notice on the weekly, the US dollar index is in an uptrend. You gotta let go of all this. This is what happened in 2008. This is 2010. But right now, what we are seeing from 2011, yes, it's in an uptrend. So what did I just say? When it's going up, the markets are going to come down. However, just know one thing, that I am on the weekly chart, so not the daily. I'm just marking that approximately. So if we see, yep, we are in an uptrend. Why did the Dow markets go up recently? If you must have checked the daily chart, just notice, okay, this is the weekly of the US dollar. One red candle, two red candle, green and red. So the dollar fell. Let's see whether Dow Jones went up or not. I'll just pull up the Dow Jones, and I will bring up the weekly chart for us. So this is the weekly chart, okay? And like I said, I showed you three candles which were red, and we have like 3 or 4 candles which are green. So dollar down, market up. That's exactly how it trades. So I would first give preference to the US dollar. I would always look at the US dollar and see where it's heading, and then I would judge how the Dow market would trade. I mean, we understand our technicals, but it's good to have this kind of a comparison so we know where the market is heading. Also, people who trade commodities, I would trade gold. It's the same. It again has the same inverse relationship. So if the dollar is up, gold is down. If dollar is down, gold is up. Try and trade it. Some people can get a hang of it. Some people might, they wouldn't want to experiment with their trading strategies. It's okay. I mean, as long as you are comfortable doing what it really doesn't matter. But this is just something that came to me, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Oh, can you compare this with the Nifty? Well, I'm not quite sure whether I can compare the US dollar to the Nifty. As a matter of fact, I would try and compare the India VIX with the Nifty. Sometimes it does give a signal of a reversal, sometimes it doesn't, because the VIX, it doesn't have it doesn't have that much of data. What I mean by data is it doesn't have that many candlesticks that I can use or prove that the relationship works. But at times, yes, at times it just wouldn't. So you gotta be careful on that. Now, I feel that the dollar is in an uptrend. This is the weekly chart. Yes, it's facing some kind of a resistance out here. I'll show it to you. So this was the high. That's when the trend started, lower highs, and this was the area of resistance. And if you just notice, yeah, it is testing, and the dollar is not holding its uptrend, so correction. And I feel if this, also notice the dollar is trading in a channel. I can just mark that. Yeah, this is good. Okay, so it is also trading in a channel going up, down, and exactly that's how even Dow Jones is trading. Yeah, I know your question is that if this is trading in an uptrend, why is even Dow Jones on the weekly trading on an uptrend? But it's what I can okay, so let me just answer that for you. This is the weekly uptrend, but if you see, the overall is a downtrend. Right now the US dollar, it's downtrending. It's, if it breaks this, I mean, it's already broken the lower high pattern, and now what we are is in a is in the other way, higher highs and higher lows. So sooner or later, I mean, everything is just going to work out. What is important is just watch for the key levels. This is an area of resistance. If this breaks and goes further, yes, the markets will start witnessing a sell-off. Another major point on this chart is this high. So if the dollar reaches around this area, I feel that's when that's exactly when we might witness Dow Jones major crash. I mean, when as it keeps inching up to this area, remember the market will be falling, and once the dollar reaches here, the dollar will face resistance, the dollar will start falling, and what happens to the market? The market will start rising. So that's the time when you start building your longs. Well, anyways, this is it for today. Any questions on Nifty? Just stick to what I gave you in the August monthly report. I had given a small trade. I said that if Nifty reaches I showed it to you on the hourly chart, 30 days hourly chart, and yeah, that did work. Took a little bit of time, but yeah, people made like some odd 20 points on the Nifty futures, like 50 lots, 20 points, $1,000. Besides, yeah, for August, I feel that the market might just inch up to around 5,400, 5,500, but if it does, it's going to test, because there is a area of resistance around 5,500, and it's going to test it, and I feel the market is going to come down. Anyways, I need to get back to the real-time trading. I just wanted to show this to you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, just get back to me. Email me at info@rayfinancial.co.in. The details are on your screen right now. I hope you have a great trading day, and see you soon. Thank you.